Hello guys, welcome to Ojuolape Space. Whew. It's nice to be here on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys all here being around to see me do my thing in my own way. Whew. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share on my channel. My channel remains Ojuolape Space. Yes, it's me, your baby girl, talking to you right from Ibadan. Yes, so this is your baby girl from Ibadan. If there's anything you want me to showcase for you in Ibadan that you okay, wow, you've been hearing about Ibadan, a lot of things, you've been hearing a lot of things, even the ones you've read, even the ones you've saw on internet, just comment on my channel. I'm going to take you through whatever you want in Ibadan. Ibadan is a very big city, so we have a lot of things, from the market to nice houses, to nice roads, to our parks, to our zoo, to our institution, the university, the polytechnic, the college of education, woo, and lots more. So let's go on to this show. Yes, thank you. I'm getting my coconut water, so I'm just going to crack my coconut. I'm not making it so hard. I'm getting my water. This is my coconut water. As you can see, a cup of coconut water, just one coconut water. You can see it's cracking my coconut. These are my coconut water. Cracking my coconut. These are my coconut water. I'm going to sieve my water to drink. I'm sieving my coconut water because it has some particles. As you can see, this is my coconut water. It's ready. Now I'm going to tell you the benefit of coconut water to the body. I'm going to give you five benefits of coconut water. Number one, coconut water helps in weight loss. It helps you in your weight loss because it's low in calories and sugars, and it prevents weight gain. Number two, it strengthens the heart. Yes, several studies have shown that coconut water helps in lowering bad cholesterol level and increase the level of good cholesterol. So it strengthens the heart. Number three is good for glowing of skin. You know, poor diet, junk food, and lifestyle habit makes our skin dull. But intake of your coconut water helps in the glowing of our skins. And bacteria inside the bottle also causes blemish on the skin. So when you take your coconut water, this helps to eliminate bacteria, and it gives a clear glow to the skin. Number four, manage diabetes. Yes, coconut water can help in lowering blood sugar levels, and it manages your blood sugar level. It has antibacterial properties, which means it is a natural remedy for mild infection. Coconut water shouldn't replace regular water. You don't take your coconut water like you're just drinking water. No, you shouldn't replace your water, but it should be used to keep you even more hydrated. So especially when you're in the dry season, it keeps you hydrated. And if you take 2 large bottles, you'll be getting almost all your sodium intake just from that drink. That is from the coconut drink here. So as you can see, coconut water isn't going to be good for you if you packed with sugar and add to your calories. Drinking it every day can definitely put you over your recommended daily. With coconut milk, they are both delicious, but coconut milk is extremely high in coconut fat. Very, because you get your oil, your coconut oil from the milk, so it's very high in fat. But your coconut water should be drank as an occasional treat to maintain a healthy diet. And our coconut water contains sodium, 15% of sodium, which is recommended for the body. Now, you can drink coconut water during the day and even at night. Drinking it early in the morning on an empty stomach can help in many ways. Then, coconut water contains about 17% of the recommended daily intake, making it a great source of potassium. If you have diarrhea or vomiting, sweat too much, or simply have an inadequate diet that doesn't give you your minerals, you could suffer from an electrolyte imbalance, but not if you drink coconut water every day. It also helps to clean the urine tract, thus reducing your chances of getting a urinary attack. Coconut water contains sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Now, in the magnesium, it has 15% of magnesium recommended for daily intake, while the sodium is 111%, and your calcium is 6%. So as you can see, it's really a very good drink that you take. It has a lot of advantage when you drink them. Another thing, the nutrients from coconut water are absorbed by the body almost immediately, so it doesn't go through all those rigorous process for the body to absorb the nutrients in your coconut water. Don't forget, I'm not a medical practitioner. You can consult your physician before starting this regimen. Please don't take excess of your coconut water. If you drink coconut water every day, you'll feel more energetic and your heart is going to be pumping more stronger. Drinking it every day will not only boost your health, but makes you feel amazing. Wow. So coconut water is very good. I'm enjoying my coconut water because it should be taken at least a cup or 2 in a day. So enjoy your coconut water. Is coconut water tasty? I want your comments in the comment section. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Enjoy my coconut water.